Don't sell ice to Eskimos. People see right through that bull. Hi guys, my name is Celeste and I'm from a company called Venomist. So when it comes to a marketing strategy, try educational marketing. And then they start thinking, well, maybe I do need it. Maybe I should have it. Pique people's interest by saying, well, this is what you can do. This is what can happen. These are the statistics. You know, and that's what you really ideally want to do. When it comes to sales, don't think of it as selling. Be authentic about the experience.